Instead of using a calculator, you can use your Microsoft Excel to do the math. You can enter simply formula to add, divide, multiply, and subtract, or you can do it manually. To do subtract in Excel, click in a cell, type the equal sign, and enter a number, type the minus sign, and again another number, and hit enter. To subtract from a cell, type the sign equal, select the cell, enter the minus, and enter a number, or select a cell if you wish. Once done, hit enter to get your number. You can also apply the same application to the entire column by simply dragging it, click and drag to get it. You can readjust your formula again, and here we have obtained the result which we want.